Stop throwing your head back and you won't hit it. Yeah.
How old is she?
2.
Oh, you're almost 2 hungry. Can you say hi? Mommy. That was like dessert for me or a date night snack. I get hungry right before bed.
You see a smile on your face.
Well, I did really good. I made, you buy like one of the reduced fat graham cracker cups, and then you just do like a pudding, sugar-free pudding, and then they have sugar-free whipped cream. And I would eat that at night. But then I
Stop throwing your head back.
powder just to put protein in it. Because I tried to eat the body for life has eat 6 times a day.
Are you guys going at the same speed?
No, you guys are doing. Look at, say hi. So I always try to add protein to it, but for some reason I haven't made another pie. Sorry, what were you saying? I haven't made another pie. I have all the stuff to do it, but if I make another pie and I just have a slice tonight, like it kind of helps.
Wow.
Well, now I have to buy more milk. When I was doing the low-fat diet, it was like trying to make all my stuff.
You done?
I don't want to cook.
No, now you want to keep going.
But if you would make me something low-fat, I'd eat it. It was really weird. But I also